Welcome to the new world of Helmut. RBB takes a look at the networked editing environment with Adobe Premiere and wants to know how the processes have changed with Helmut.
What steps are necessary for journalists and editors if they only work with Premiere and all basic settings have to be set manually and time-consumingly? We start here with the assignment of project title and storage location. Creation of work folders and template sequences. The settings in audio routing differ if you want to produce for television. Here, the audio routing has to be adapted to multi-channel sound with 8 separate tracks. User-related keyboard settings must be entered. Workspaces need to be adapted. The storage of audio and video assets is under the care of the operator. The project is only available locally, depending on where the assets are stored. Motion graphic templates and graphic elements must be imported into the project manually. Proxy files of original OOD material can be created during import or only afterwards. After editing, you can now choose from countless export presets. Please note that for the linear playout path, we prefer an MXFOP 1AVC Intra with 50 fields, as well as an audio limiter on the first stereo pair according to EBR 128 are important for a technically correct broadcast tone. The image level limiter 100 IR in the SMT range with a compression of 3%, then finally ensures legal image level values. Far too technical, far too complex. And this is where the magic of Helmut from the company Move It comes into play. All individual steps, as just mentioned, are obsolete and you can fully concentrate on your cut. The additional manual effort only has to be worked out once and predefined with the editors. When the user logs into Helmut, the magic happens in the background. Now create a project and assign titles and templates. Your project opens up and wakes up with all the necessary structures, graphic elements, and template sequences. No headaches about storage locations, proxy creation, and export presets. Helmut can cover all of this automatically. He recognizes the material and knows how and where it should be placed. In addition, Helmut is still networked in our cutting environment. This means that all projects can be opened from anywhere. After completion in the editing, the contributions can be exported with stored presets. This ensures uniform export paths towards the sending server or CMS with predefined interfaces. The correct export is thus always guaranteed. All workflows and system adjustments can be adjusted in real time on the fly. Maximum efficiency with and MyAlpha.